I'm Anthony. I want to give you a true picture of what it's like to be a mold tech here at Hearth Home. As a mold tech, you would be making the concrete for the sides and backs that go inside the fireplaces. PPE is personal protective equipment, safety glasses, earplugs, gloves, sleeves, steel toe, stuff that we wear to stay safe in our job. As a mold tech, you are responsible to make sure that that mold is completely filled to the top, making sure that the concrete is the right thickness. You want it almost like mud. Box out is at the end of the mixer. Once they get down to you, you will take the mold, slide it into the box. You'll have to use a foot pedal to raise and lower the box so that way it's at the appropriate height so you can just slide the mold in. You'll push a button and it'll go into the cure house, the building that we built for the concrete, so it can go into and dry. Now that the concrete is dry, it gets sent into the rollover so that way it comes out the right way and we can pull it out and it just falls out of the mold. The goal is to make it as easy as we can. Remember, we'll take it out, knock the flashing or excess concrete off of the stone. After that is done, they will take it out to the staging area. Some of our units get painted. You'll have paint templates that'll go over the concrete. You'll use a paint sprayer, and depending on the model, we'll use a paint roller. So in the crate out area, you will be using a manipulator. That manipulator will lift up the heavier pieces of our concrete that we have. It will be dropped off and ready for shipping. We're spraying the molds with a mold release so that way when the concrete cures, it doesn't stick to the mold. This person here is in charge of what molds go down in what order. Now the mold is ready to start the process all over again. Very physical and hard work. Anybody can do it. It's just a matter of if they want to.